Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to submit an expenses report in the Paycom app using a phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and tap on the app to open it. Once you're on your home login screen, enter your company ID, username and password. Then tap login. If you have set up your Face ID or Touch ID, you can use that too. Once you're on your home page, look at the bottom menu or the top left menu button. Tap on it. From the menu, scroll down and select expenses. Once you're on your expenses, tap add expenses to begin. Now enter the details like expenses type, date, amount and description. To add a receipt, tap the add receipt option. You can take a picture with your camera or upload one from your photos. This make it easy to keep track of proof of your expense. Once you have entered everything, double check your information. When it looks good, tap submit. Your expenses will now be sent to your manager for approval. And that's it. You have just submitted an expenses report in Paycom app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.